Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix external hard drive corrupted and unreadable. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is go to the start menu over here on the bottom left side and just simply search for CMD. And now here, go for the command prompt and run as administrator. Now a pop-up window will show up and just simply select a yes. Now here, just simply type in chkdsk space slash f and then space. And from here, just simply go to your file explorer and check the letter of your external hard drive. So for me, it will be D. So just simply type in D and then double colon and just simply enter. And after that, guys, it will fix the issue and just simply wait for the command prompt to fix itself. Now, after that, another step is just simply go to the start menu again and go for the command prompt and run it as administrator. And now from here, just simply type in SFS space forward slash scan now and just simply enter. And from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.